Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to crochet the honeycomb stitch in the round. I will be showing it on my honey pouch. You can see mine has a bottom, but you can absolutely make this stitch as a simple tube too, for example for sleeves or neck warmers. I will be using DK weight yarn and 5mm hook. I used 4mm for the bottom and for the first two single crochet rounds, but then I will switch to 5mm hook, and I recommend you use 1mm bigger hook than what is recommended for your yarn for the honeycomb stitch because the fabric is quite dense. Okay, let's begin. You can begin with a circle like I have here or start with a chain. Just make sure you have even number of stitches or chains in the round. For the base of the honeycomb stitch we will start with 2 rows of single crochet. For round 1 of single crochet, first chain 1 and then just single crochet in every stitch around, and when you finish, slip stitch into the first stitch to join in round, and make sure to keep your stitch count the same as your circle or chain in the beginning. And for round 2, again chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch around, and then just slip stitch to join. And these 2 rounds make a nice even bed for the extended stitches that we will make right now. The actual honeycomb stitch is a 2-row repeat, and for row 1 you will be alternating extended single crochets and single crochets. Begin row 1 of the honeycomb stitch by chaining 1 and then make an extended single crochet in the first stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch 2 rounds below, so skip the stitch directly below and go into the stitch under it, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Same finish as normal single crochet, and then follow that up with normal single crochet into the next stitch. Then again extended single crochet into next stitch. You can now see it 2 rows below where you made your last extended single crochet that you should skip 1 stitch 2 rows below and then work your extended single crochet in the next stitch, and then again make normal single crochet. Alternate extended single crochet and normal single crochet till the end of this round, then slip stitch into the first stitch of the round to join in round. And if the counting goes right, you should end with normal single crochet and slip stitch into the extended single crochet you did as a first stitch. And this is round 1 of the honeycomb stitch done. And for round 2 we will alternate modified single crochet and normal single crochet. First chain 1 and then make the modified single crochet. So insert your hook under one leg of the previous extended single crochet, then under one leg of the next extended single crochet. After that insert your hook into the top loops of the stitch where you would normally make this stitch. And now yarn over and pull through the stitch and both legs, then yarn over again and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Now make a normal single crochet in the next stitch, and then again modified single crochet in the next stitch. And you can also make the modified single crochet without inserting it into the stitch, just through the both legs like I'm showing you here. It gives a little bit of a different look, and I think that's how it usually is with honeycomb stitch, but I found I like how this one looks better, and you can do any variant you want. This second row of honeycomb stitch just alternates modified single crochet and normal single crochet. So now I will again make normal single crochet and then modified. So I will insert my hook under one leg of the previous extended single crochet, then under one leg of the next extended single crochet. Then I will turn my hook a little bit so that these loops don't fall and pull it through the stitch I should be working in, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops on my hook, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then normal single crochet again, and repeat this till the end of the round. You should end with normal single crochet and then slip stitch into the first stitch, which should be the modified single crochet, to join in round. And these are the 2 honeycomb stitch rounds done, and now you will just repeat these 2 rounds until the work is as long as you want it. I will show you each round once again, but it's basically the same thing. To begin row 1, chain 1 and then make an extended single crochet 2 rows below, or in the upside down V, or as you can see on the wrong side, it's in the middle of the normal V. So make an extended single crochet here and then normal single crochet in the next stitch. And then now again make an extended single crochet 2 rows below, so it's in the middle of the upside down V, or on the other side it will be in the middle of the normal V, and then normal single crochet in the next stitch. Alternate these 2 stitches till the end of the round, and when you get to the end of the round, just slip stitch into the first stitch to join in round, and you should end with normal single crochet, and you should slip stitch into the extended single crochet. And now let's make row 2 again. So first chain 1 and then make modified single crochet by inserting your hook under one leg of the previous stitch and one leg of the following stitch, then into the stitch, and making a single crochet and then make a single crochet in the next stitch. And again insert your hook under one leg of the previous stitch, one leg of the following stitch, then into the stitch, and then make a single crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, and just alternate these 2 stitches, so modified single crochet and normal single crochet, till the end of the round. Then again you should end with normal single crochet and slip stitch into the modified single crochet to join in round, and that's the second round done. And that is all for the honeycomb stitch in the round. If you got any questions about this stitch, please leave them down below and let me know what you will do with this stitch. I will link the honey pouch pattern down below, and if I make a tutorial for it, which I want to, I will link that as well. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!